Yes, we were talking about a four-step digital marketing strategy framework, and first step was defining our audience, define our micro and macro conversions, KPIs basically, and micro movements buying triggers. Then implementing a set, a mix of digital marketing methods, then analyzing the results we are receiving from implementation of these methods, and then optimizing the campaign on the basis of what we are getting from our analysis, right? The first step here is define. To apply this framework to your business, start off by defining your audience, business goals, and buying triggers. Defining audience, defining your business goals, and buying triggers. How customer is going to buy, how customer is going to fill your forms, right? Responding as per your expectations. The second step is implementation. Based on what you have defined in the first phase, you then implement the most appropriate digital marketing strategies. As I said, a mix of most digital marketing strategies. Sometimes it can be a single strategy, maybe only social media marketing for brand awareness, or maybe only you are working only Google search engine marketing, Google AdWords, search ads, search advertising for lead generation or revenue generation, maybe, and sometimes maybe a mix of multiple two, three, four strategies or methods, right? So strategies through various channels to create awareness. That is, it is a goal. Engage, procure, and retain customers. These are our goals. To achieve these goals, we have to finalize our strategy, one or more, or a set or a mix of strategies in the implementation phase, right? Analyze. The third phase is to analyze. Once you have run your campaigns, you need to collect and analyze data. That is basically where the digital marketing differentiates or wins over mainly conventional or traditional marketing, right? For example, which channels generate more ROI, which channel is generating highest return on investment, maybe social media, maybe Google AdWords, advertising, search advertising, or maybe display advertising, or maybe mobile advertising. So if you have implemented 3 4 marketing mix channels methods, right, so you can analyze and work accordingly. You can proceed in the next step, optimization step. What we will do in optimization? We will optimize the channel which are working, right? Which channels generate more ROI? Which audiences are more likely to purchase? Audience from Instagram or from Facebook? In order to further optimize and boost your ROI, right? We have to analyze which channel is working, right? Which is the most suitable channel which is going. Initial, for the first 1 week or first 2 weeks, you have to, if you are launching a campaign for a new customer, then you have to analyze initial first or second 2 weeks closely, which channel is exactly working for the customers, right? Which channel is providing the highest ROI. And finally, the phase 4 is optimize. This is the crucial phase where you make minor major changes in optimization. For example, from lowering your ad spend on a digital marketing channel to targeting different audience segments. We may target sometimes different target segments, or we may lower the ad spends per day. As I said, per day ad spending is suppose 5,000 rupees. We can make 2,000 if we are not getting appropriate results or expected results. We may invest 3,000 rupees to another methods, right? And we can check what happening basically, or we can spend initially in 5. We can initial stages we can implement 4 5 digital marketing methods, and on the analyzation stage we find that 2 3 are not working. We will stop working on these campaigns and invest that money, that budget on the channels or the methods which is working exactly. That is basically optimization. Or sometimes we have to change our audience, our segment based on your digital analytics data. That is all based on analytics data, right? That decisions we have to take, and we have to optimize our campaigns, and right, to achieve the specified goal in the first step. In the first step, right? Now the next topic is understanding user behavior. That is quite important. As I said, in optimization case, we can change our target segment even. So we have to understand user behavior. As I said, we can use 4-5 methods of digital marketing or strategies of digital marketing at the initial first week or second or two for 2 weeks, and can analyze the behavior of our target segment, the segment we have targeted, whether the segment is or the behavior, what how they are behaving, where we are founding them, whether they are on Instagram or Facebook, which channel is working, and after that analysis we can optimize, we can change our decisions, right? We can boost some campaigns or we can close some campaigns. That is on the basis of user behavior. And consumers behaves differently for every product and for every brand, right? Traditional advertising methods still work today, but are no longer as effective and cost efficient today as they were, right? As the digital marketing methods are. TV has been overwhelmed by online video streaming sites such as YouTube. We are more engaged these days. Most of the consumers engage on YouTube if they are interested on videos in comparison to televisions, right? And YouTube advertisements will be cost quite low in comparison to TV advertisements, and we can analyze even what we are getting from our ad spends, right? Flyers have been replaced by online banner advertisements like Google Display Network, right? We can display advertisement on mobile applications. We can display advertisement on different websites. We can target basically. And flyers and direct mail is mostly ignored. Nobody is sending a printed mail, right, today, and is much more expensive compared to email marketing, right? The sale of newspapers have sharply declined as more and more readers turn to online news sites. A lot of sites are available, and most of them are providing free services, right? And you can customize on a single platform to read multiple news and multiple news from multiple websites, right? Offline advertising methods are harder to track in terms of viewership and browsing behavior. As we know, we cannot track how many people are watching our television ad or our newspaper ad, but we can track on digital marketing or social media marketing how many are visiting our website from a particular channel. Then online marketing channels in comparison to online marketing channel. So these ways we have discussed in previous slides as well, that how digital marketing is winning over conventional marketing or traditional marketing, right? So these are the differences. This is basically a traditional marketing funnel. Traditional marketing funnel. How we market traditional marketing funnel. First stage, we create awareness, right? On the first stage, we create awareness. The consumer is made aware of a brand's existence. Consumer is made aware of a brand's existence. And the second stage is interest and desire. Experiences, compares and considers competitors' brands. Awareness, right? Interest and desire. The interest and desire can be the interest stays and then creates desire, right? A decision is make a decision to purchase a chosen product, the decision stage. And finally the retention enters the customer loyalty phase, retention, right? And this is basically the funnel we call is, suppose we have to 1000 visitors taking interest on our on HP laptop or on SR laptop. Awareness set, if you want to buy a laptop, right, then you must know about the laptop brands. If we know about HP is making the laptop and Dell is making laptop, Acer is providing laptop, Lenovo is providing laptop, Compaq, HP, they are the same providing laptops, right? That means this is called our awareness set. How much aware we are. I am aware about those 4-5 brands. Then maybe Sony, Toshiba, XYZ, other brands are there. But our first is our awareness set. How much we are aware. Second, we divide in either 2 or 3 parts. Interest and desired can be called basically consideration. We have divided here in total 4 segments. We can divide even in 3. Interest and desire combinedly can be called consideration set, right? Your awareness set is of 6 brands, 6 companies about the laptop, and you are considering 2 out of them, HP and Dell. Suppose HP and Dell, you said okay, leave all this, I need a better one, and I what your perception for these brands is better for HP and interest, right? Or we can say interest and desire. Then decision, you are taking decision about what exactly, making a decision about the purpose of buying a Dell laptop. So our suppose awareness is 6, then interest may be on 4 and desire may be on 2. At that stage we have only desire is only for 2, Dell and SP, and the final stage decision is for Dell. That is how we shop and we buy, and we update ourselves with different available informations, right? Different available informations means the price, warranty, right? Alternatives we evaluate on the basis of what exactly the configuration we need, right? The configuration we need, and thing is the warranty we are getting, the price we are getting on the basis of price and all, that is we evaluate. This is basically traditional marketing funnel, how a purchaser goes through in taking a decision, right? This is a traditional marketing funnel, and we will discuss about the today's communication and marketing funnel, how it has been changed today, today's consumer decision making process, because here the decision making process is linear. We have some awareness about the product. We have linear means we have awareness about 6, 8 whatever brands, and then we are interested in 4, and then we are buying to desire the best 2 brands we perceive about, and finally we take a decision about a final product. That is what? That is a linear, basically a traditional marketing funnel. It is a linear, one by one, and we have here 6 brands, and here at the end we are going for 1, and that is progressive, linearly progressing, right? And this is, we will discuss about the today's how the information technology, how the internet has changed the buying behavior of the users. How internet has changed the buying behavior of the user, that we will discuss in the next lecture, right? Okay, thank you very much.